Hey guys, welcome back to Closet Raid. I'm super excited for this new episode of Styled by Jazmin Whitley. There's a lot going on this week per usual, but before we get into the episode, if you're not already, make sure you subscribe. I post fashion content every single week, and if you want to be notified, ring the bell. If not, check back every Monday and Thursday. But let's get right into this episode. This week, I'm bringing you guys along with me. I'm pulling samples for Natasha because we have a photo shoot. I'm on the hunt for the perfect pieces. Where I pull samples is super close to where I get my lip filler done, and it only takes 15 minutes, so I decided to rush in, do a little touch up with Janelle, who is so amazing. She's super talented and she does my lip filler.
And then 45-degree angle. And then we're gonna do profile. Perfect.
Beads. You doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
We're using Juvederm Ultra Plus. It's thicker because Jazmin metabolizes her products really quickly.
So I just left Dr. Rivkin's and Janelle clearly injected me. I have my lip filler. It's just something that I really like to do because it makes me feel more confident, and I love to be able to put on lipstick and just feel like I have a full pout. It looks a little extreme right now because she just did it and they're really swollen, but I'll look normal in a couple days. Now I'm about to go pull more samples. Hi. How's it going? Good. Hey. Today I am in West Hollywood styling Natasha for a really fun shoot. It's gonna be kind of retro, like loungy, getting ready. I'll show you guys the pieces right now. Okay, so, these shorts
I literally saw these and I was like, these are so cool.
retro. I love this bodysuit. Like, the idea of doing this bodysuit, I'm freaking out over this.
Oh my gosh.
Right?
That is adorable.
It's so pretty. Like Marilyn
How
Monroe.
cute is that?
I love the idea of doing something like this.
I love that too.
So Jacqueline is literally queen of glam, and she did Natasha's makeup like glowy.
Okay, guys, look at this one.
Okay, fine.
Do you like it, or do you feel like she's setting it like...
Are you dying, or are
This
you
is
dying?
so cute. I love this. Do you like it?
Yeah.
And that's with the flash on. I feel like it shows the glow a lot more. And
Her
like,
highlight and everything is like
my
popping.
makeup, I'm just dead.
Yeah. Can we just Photoshop that, like
think
all white?
so.
Can I see?
I feel like that's easy. I can do
Just
face
that.
tune.
Oh yeah, I can Photoshop that too.
Right?
Yeah.
It's just like the
Easy
black.
Photoshopping queen.
Right here.
Who am I?
Literally, like. Okay, so Jacqueline is literally queen of glam. She glammed me for the Fashion LA Awards. I wanted to insert a photo because it was like my favorite glam in the world. And today she did Natasha's makeup here at the hotel. What's the lid?
I used the Natasha Denona palette.
I'm like in love with
Is
it.
that,
Like the gold.
I used a little bit of this nude one, and the rest of it was this bronzy goldish color.
It's so pretty. But how can Natasha look bad?
That's what I was gonna say. She's
Okay,
such a
you
beautiful
guys
canvas.
are lying.
No, we're not. Maybe if we do some like of her in the chair.
This chair?
Wow. Okay, cute. This can't show.
That's cute, but I feel like...
Go to the ones with the light on.
But we
I
did
don't
this
mind this, but I just didn't like the light around it. Like, I like this. So my friend Amber moved here from New Jersey, and I love her so much. She's so sweet, so talented. She makes music, and definitely check her out. I got a call from her because she got a job interview. So of course I rushed over to help her put together an outfit. So Amber literally just moved to LA.
2 minutes ago.
2 seconds ago, she just got off the plane. Like, cue the Miley song. Like, she literally just hopped off the plane. There's boxes everywhere. And she already has a job interview for tomorrow. So obviously I'm here to help her be like
ready
super
because
professional.
All I wear every day is sweats and pajamas, so I need to look like a little bit presentable.
She needs to be like boss business babe.
Yes.
Fashion mogul vibes.
Okay.
So this is literally the cutest little spring look with these like trousers and the little blouse. Like, it's so fun, but still like businessy because it's collared and chic. But it's between this and the black blazer with the white pant, black and white pant.
Yeah.
Imagine like a white like cami or like
Underneath.
little bralette, like something white underneath, tank top tucked in, business blazer, but like hot pink.
And then like white pumps.
Yeah. That's a really fun spring fashion business
Daytime.
girl.
Oh, like
You are so pretty with no makeup. Like, you
You're
look stunning.
really
You could do like a
crazy.
low ponytail with this.
You think?
Yeah. I think this could be really good. I have a couple more things. Okay.
really love
The black.
the black
Me too.
blazer.
Throw on the black blazer with this bodysuit and those pants.
Okay.
I think that's the look.
Let's see.
Very subtle.
Yeah.
Like, it's not like desperate. It's not over the top. It's fashion forward. It's sexy, but very professional. I would take you really seriously if I was going to a meeting. I feel like this is so chic. This is like, I would hire you. Like, what shoes and bag?
Here.
No bags.
I have a Gucci.
What color is it?
It's like just the Gucci, like GG, the beige.
Beige. Mm-mm. It can't be. It has to
I don't
be
have
black.
my black YSL.
Maybe you can borrow this bag for tomorrow. Because this bag with that, literally perfect.
Yeah.
That's the look. I've reunited with Amber finally.
Hey.
And I'm like not in a foul mood. I feel like the last time we hung out I was so annoying. I was so complainy. I got my period the next day. I was like PMSing on her and like complaining to her about everything. That's really good. Oh, I've never gotten that one. Now I'm like, should I get chocolate today? I always get vanilla. Wow. I haven't even ordered mine yet. I'm glad I tried that one first. It takes 2 seconds. Wait, do I have to shake this? Oh, okay. So Amber's gonna do a ginger shot, or like a wellness shot. It has like ginger. It has everything that like makes you well. Oh no. It's not terrible. Oh. It's just like, I feel like people like get like taken back by ginger, but like we love ginger. But okay, I love the way ginger like burns your throat because it feels like it's like so healthy. Oh, that dog. See, we've been seeing poodles all day. I don't even know if that's a poodle, but it's just a really cute dog.
Okay. Mine is like half. All the Chick-fil-A I've ever eaten is singed, burned, gone.
Yeah, disintegrated. Yes. I feel better already. Amber just took stride. I'm so sweaty and she looks so cute. I don't understand.
No, I'm grease.
You look like like you just came from the beach and I look like a sweaty boy. Like,
Ow.
what the heck?
That was so good. Going the wrong way down the one way,
it's
but we
fine.
love an illegal person.
Oh, this is like something that I wanted to tell the vlog. Am I crazy? Wait, what is that noise?
It's my seatbelt.
Oh, okay. So,
I don't buckle.
we love rules.
I'm illegal. There we go. So fun. I'm doing it again.
Yay!
And our other friend Zenna wants to come with us too.
I'll make sure to vlog when she comes because that'll be fun to
Yeah.
get her like take on it and
Yeah.
see. She's like a really cute makeup artist.
Yeah.
Does she do hair?
Yeah,
she's a hair and makeup artist and she's so cute.
She's
and
so cute and nice.
sweet and like just genuine.
Yeah.
Which is like really rare in LA.
Yes.
I feel like we're on the Kardashians. Like this is the perfect angle.
Oh, court.
Today I am meeting with my fitness coach, Michelle Cannon, nutritionist and fitness coach, for our weekly meeting. We're doing a workout and talking a lot about what's been going on, you guys. So if you're interested and you've been following my health and fitness journey, you want to watch this next part where she explains a little bit of my frustration and like what I'm going through and just like kind of helps guide me through it. So I've lost 4 pounds.
How are you feeling?
I feel like I fit into my clothes better. I feel stronger. Like when I first started, the first week, I was like barely getting through like class at stride and it was really rough. But then I got into the swing of it and felt like way better and would like notice like, hey, I can be faster, I can be stronger, like I can get through this like easier, which was like really nice. And I just feel my body like not so puffy.
Yes.
Like the bloat is gone.
That's so great. Yeah, all the water weight. Well, okay, so let's talk about what you said when you first walked into the gym today. You were annoyed.
So, okay, we just worked out. That's why I'm a little bit of a mess, but it was a great workout. And I was just frustrated with the scale because it's really hard to anyone out there who's tried to make a lifestyle change or made one or is in the process of that. It's not easy. It's a lot of commitment and dedication and switching bad habits with good habits and just it's a lot. Like it's emotional. It's like you feel like, oh my god, like I'm trying so hard. I want to see such a big difference because you feel like you're making a big change. But the scale isn't like drastically changing.
Yes.
But okay, I had questions about this because I just think it's interesting and you always hear, oh, like muscle weighs so much more than fat does and all these things. And when you're working out, you're building muscle. But are you able, is that a reason why the scale isn't like going like down? Could you be building muscle or is that not even realistic?
That's what's happening. That's
That
exactly
is.
what's happening.
Okay, so
Yes.
sometimes I think that, but then I'm like, no, there's no way I could be building muscle that quickly.
It takes a while to actually see, because that's, when we did the body fat test at the beginning, I was measuring your muscle mass. It takes 6 weeks to start seeing that change. It's basically changing, growing those muscle cells. So you have them, you're just growing them. And once you have a substantial amount, then you'll start to see the difference in your metabolism because it takes more energy for your body to sustain muscle than fat. So it's not, and then it is denser.
Okay.
So
That's a good sign.
yes. So you might actually, your weight might level out or stay somewhat the same, but your body fat percentage will go down, and that's what we really want to see.
Okay, that number is more of an important number than just the number on this plain scale. Like if you don't have a crazy fancy scale that shows you, you might just be looking at a regular scale and be like, oh, like I'm still the same, but you could be really
changing your body. Yeah, and if you are doing the things, working out, using resistance, working out hard, and then eating clean, you have to just trust the process and really believe that progress is progress. If it's 2 pounds off, the scale, or 4 pounds,
You're going in the right direction.
even if it's maintaining.
Okay, let's just say I had a bad day, right? Like I wasn't feeling good, and I haven't been getting sleep, right? For the past like few days, almost week. So I've been eating a little bit more, been more hungry. Like what do you recommend to like after a cheat day or after having like a bad day or a couple bad days? Like how do you recommend like getting
back on track?
Right on track.
I would say your first meal should be a smoothie. Try to fast. Like if you've had like a heavy dinner and you like stick to that 12-hour window or more. Sometimes it could be 15 or
16 is easy for me.
Oh, great. So then you're already on track with that. And then have that first meal be the smoothie, because your body has already had to work so hard to kind of process all of that junk food, all of that sodium through. So try to just be as clean as possible with just the proteins and lots of greens in that smoothie. And it'll help cleanse and detoxify your body.
Okay. Oh, working out makes me so emotional. Is that normal?
It's normal.
Like I'll be like running in stride and like want to cry when a song comes on, like whoa.
But that's, at that point, like you've kind of tapped into those endorphins, and so it's a good thing.
It's a lot.
Good. Yeah, it's a lot.
I got an email from Michelle, and it was like a quiz kind of thing to see your relationship with food, correct? And there's like a ton of little checklists to see like what you identify with, and craving for control and hot and cold were my results.
That's it's interesting because those two are almost polar opposites, right? So and that makes sense because you are emotional.
Yes.
So, but I can tell this about you. You love structure. So
I love a routine.
Yeah, and you're so good at sticking to it. So I think
I love rules.
So the craving for control part, it means that Jazmin, she likes the structure. She likes knowing she can eat a certain way, and she can stick to that.
Yeah,
but for a certain amount of time.
And it can be really unhealthy because I've noticed my following the meal plan that she's sent me and just being more mindful and aware of food, I feel like has showed me how psycho you can be, like with like good food and bad food, and like just letting yourself like get too crazy with it. Like,
yes. And the problem, that, especially for control people, is when you have the labels, it then, like, if you ate something that you considered bad, then you...
That might not even really be bad.
Right. The more rules you have, then it's like, okay, is this banana bad? Which I was having a talk with a girlfriend. She's like, oh my God, I ate a banana. I'm like, if your cheat day's a banana, you're in a really good place.
Yeah,
but if you label it bad, then you sit there and you go into this spiral of like, oh, I ate bad, so I might as well just, forget it. So that's the thing, like when you're in sort of that, for that person, you're type A and you really like the control, I'm that way. You have to kind of let go of the rules, and you've told your body for so long to ignore those cues, right? Like
you're like, what am I even craving? Am I even really hungry? What's going on? Like,
yes. So there's no good or bad food. There's food, right? And there's obviously foods that will help you reach your goals quicker and foods that won't.
And foods that'll make you feel strong and healthy and give you vitamins and give you what you need to be a healthy, happy person.
And there's foods that don't, but then there's a place for those foods too, right? So that the self-judgment kind of has to go away. And that's a lot of work. It doesn't happen overnight, just loving yourself in, like your skinny days, your lean days, your bloated days, all those times. So
definitely.
And the hot and cold, it just
all or nothing psycho. Like that's me. Like, oh my gosh.
Yeah. Sometimes you feel like it, sometimes you don't. And I think that comes from the control part, because when you feel like you've lost control, you might be in like that,
it's off.
Yeah, like just nonchalant about it. So it just goes back to, right, losing that judgment and that self-sabotage and knowing things are okay. If you go off track, you have a bad day. But it sounds like you're getting better.
Yeah, it's been great, and I feel great, and I've been making progress, and I'm on track, and I've lost weight, and I feel stronger.
She is stronger, and so we're more than halfway.
That is wild.
Yeah.
That is so crazy that it goes by that fast.
I know. So...
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and check back soon. I'm definitely working hard on new Closet Raid episodes and lots of fun fashion videos. So I will see you guys very, very soon.